Hello friends, welcome to sidschemistry. Now we are learning the MCQs for the unit number 13 amines. Multiple choice questions. The first question is, which of the following is a tertiary amine? Now options are number 1, 1-methyl cyclohexylamine, number 2, triethylamine, number 3, tertiary butylamine, and number 4, N-methyl aniline. Out of the given option, we have to find out the compound with tertiary amine. Now when we see that in these given options, tertiary amines are the amines in which the nitrogen has directly connected to 3 carbons, and out of the given option, in the option number 2, triethylamine is a tertiary amine, because when we draw the structure of triethylamine, it is indicating that it has 3 ethyl groups connected directly to the nitrogen, and therefore it is a tertiary amine. Now coming to the option number 2, the correct IUPAC name of CH2 double bond CH CH2 NH CH3 is. Options are allyl methylamine, 2-amino 4-pentene, 4-amino pent-1-ene, and N-methyl prop-2-ene 1-amine. In this compound, when we start numbering will start for the number 1, number 2, number 3, and this compound name is N-methyl because nitrogen is directly connected to the methyl group N-methyl, then prop-2-ene 1-amine. So the correct answer is option number 4, N-methyl prop-2-ene 1-amine. Question number 3. Amongst the following, the strongest base in aqueous medium is. Out of the given options, when the practicals are performed for the given sets of amines, the strongest base is found at option number 3, that is CH3 twice NH. Coming to the question number 4, which of the following is the weakest Bronsted base? To be a Bronsted base, a compound should donate the lone pair of electron. Now the options are benzenamine, cyclohexylamine. Coming to the next page, that is cyclohexane amine, and number 4 is methylamine. Now out of the given option, the only option which shows the resonance is the option number 1. Because of the resonance, the lone pair of nitrogen is traveling over the ring, and therefore sufficient lone pair or cloud is not available over the nitrogen which can be donated and to become a Bronsted base. So the weakest Bronsted base will be the option number 1, that is the benzenamine. Now coming to the question number 5, that is benzylamine may be alkylated as shown in the following equation: C6H5CH2NH2 plus Rx. It gives to C6H5CH2NHR. Which of the following alkyl halide is best suited for this reaction through SN1 mechanism? Dear friends, the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Now coming to the question number 6. Which of the following reagents would not be a good choice for the reducing an aryl nitro compound to an amine? For such kind of reaction, weak reducing agents are required, while here out of the given option, lithium aluminum hydride in ether, it is acting as a strong reducing agent, so it is not a good choice for such kind of reaction. So correct answer will be option number 2. Now coming to the question number 7. In order to prepare a primary amine from alkyl halide with simultaneous addition of one CH2 group in the carbon chain, the reagent used as a source of nitrogen is, options are sodium amide NaNH2, sodium azide NaN3, potassium cyanide KCN, and potassium thalamide, that is C6H4CO2 N-K+. Dear friends, if we want to add along with carbon and nitrogen, then the compound like potassium cyanide is required. So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is potassium cyanide. Coming to the question number 8, the source of nitrogen in Gabriel synthesis of amine is sodium azide, sodium nitrite, potassium cyanide, or potassium thalamide. In the Gabriel synthesis, the potassium thalamide is generated. So the source of nitrogen in Gabriel synthesis of amines is potassium thalamide, that is option number 4. Now coming to the question number 9. Among the given set of reactants, the most appropriate for preparing secondary amine is, option 1 secondary RBr plus NH3, number 2 secondary RBr plus NaCN followed by H2PT. Coming to the next page, number 3 primary RNH2 plus RCHO followed by H2PT, and number 4 primary RBr 2 mole plus potassium thalamide followed by H3O plus and heat. Dear friends, the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Now coming to the question number 10. The best reagent for the converting 2-phenyl propanamide into 2-phenyl propanamine. Dear friends, 2-phenyl propanamide is a compound like there are 3 carbons and the first carbon is amide, 2 is phenyl. Now if you want to convert this compound into the 2-phenyl propanamine, then this CO group must be converted to the CH2 group, and this can be done by the strong reducing agent. So the option 4 lithium aluminum hydride is the correct answer for this question. Now coming to the question number 11, the best reagent for the converting 2-phenyl propanamide into the 1-phenyl ethanamine. Dear friends, in this question we have to remove this CONH2 group and then after it will be converted to the 1-phenyl ethanamine. Such reaction of removing CONH2 group from the compound is shown by the Hofmann-Bromide degradation reaction. So the reagent like NaOH-Br2 are the reagents of the Hofmann-Bromide degradation reaction. So correct answer is option number 2, that is NaOH-Br2. Coming to the question number 12. Hofmann-Bromide degradation reaction is shown by, out of which compound? Options are ArNH2, ArCONH2, ArNO2, ArCH2NH2. Hofmann-Bromide degradation reaction can be shown by the amides. So the correct answer for the question number 12 is option number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. The correct increasing order of basic strength of following compound is. Dear friends, an amine can be a basic only when it can donate the lone pair of electron. So we have to select the one which has a lowest lone pair donator, and then we have to go to the highest lone pair donator, and then thereby we can find out the increasing strength of basicity. So when we look at this second structure, nitro group is the electron attracting group, so it will attract the electrons of the amine nitrogen towards itself, while methyl group in the third structure is electron donating group, so it is an electron providing to the NH2 group. So therefore more amount of electron cloud is generated over the third structure amine, and the cloud can be reduced in the second structure. So we have to find out the increasing order of basic strength. So 2 number structure is the least basic, then amine 1 number structure is somewhat more basic, and when electron donating group is attached it will become more basic strength, and therefore the correct answer is 2, 1 and 3 in increasing order. So option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. Now methylamine reacts with the HNO2 to form. HNO2 is a nitrous acid, and methylamine when reacts with the nitrous acid it will form methanol. So the correct answer for this question, that is methanol, which may be given in the next page. So moving to the next page, and we can see that option number 3 is the methanol. So the correct answer is option number 3, methanol. Now coming to the question number 15. The gas evolved when methylamine reacts with the nitrous acid is. Now dear friends, the options are ammonia gas, nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas and ethane gas. The correct answer for this reaction is nitrogen gas, because it is evolved during the formation of methanol. Now coming to the question number 16. In the nitration of benzene using a mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3, the species which initiate the reaction is. Here the options given are NO2, NO+, NO2+, and NO2-. Here out of the given option, the correct option is option number 3, that is NO2+, which is acting as an electrophile, and this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now coming to the 17th question. Reduction of aromatic nitro compound using FeHCl gives. Options are aromatic oxime, aromatic hydrocarbon, aromatic primary amine and aromatic amide. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is aromatic primary amine. Now coming to the question number 18. The most reactive amine towards dilute hydrochloric acid is. Out of the given option we have to select the option which is the most basic compound. So the most basic compound out of the given option is option number 2, that is dimethylamine, which is the most basic compound from the given options. So the correct answer is option number 2 for the question number 18. Coming to the question number 19. Acid anhydride on reaction with primary amine gives. Options are amide, imide, secondary amine and imine. Dear friends, the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is amide. Now coming to the question number 20. The reaction of ArN2 plus Cl minus with CuHCl gives ArCl plus N2 plus CuCl is named as number 1 Sandmeyer reaction, number 2 Gattermann reaction, number 3 Claisen reaction, number 4 carbylamine reaction. The correct answer for this question is Gattermann reaction. Coming to the question number 21. Best method for preparing primary amines from alkyl halide without changing the number of carbon atom in the chain is. The primary amine can be prepared by Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis, and in the Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis the carbon number is not changed. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. Coming to the question number 22. Which of the following compound will not undergo azocoupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride? Options are aniline, phenol, anisole and nitrobenzene. The correct answer for this question is nitrobenzene. Coming to the question number 23. Which of the following compound is the weakest Bronsted base? Out of the given option, there are option 1 is benzenamine, option 2 is cyclohexane amine, option 3 is phenol, and option 4 is hydroxycyclohexane. Out of the given option, option number 3 is the weakest Bronsted base, as phenol is the acidic property containing compound An alkoxide ion is stable due to resonance. Therefore, it is the weakest base. Now coming to the question number 24. Among the following amines, the strongest Bronsted base is. Dear friends, out of the given option, we need to find out the options without resonating structures. So option 1 and 3, they are the resonating structure, so they cannot be a strongest Bronsted bases. However, option 2 and 4 are the no resonating structures, and option 4 is a secondary amine. So secondary amine is more basic than the ammonia. So correct answer is option number 4. Now coming to the question number 25. The correct decreasing order of basic strength of the following species is. The negative ions are more basic, and therefore the correct sequence will be NH2 minus is more basic than OH minus is more basic than ammonia, which is more basic than water, and the correct option is option number 1. Coming to the question number 26. Which of the following should be most volatile? Out of the given 4 options, 3 are the amines and 1 is the alkane. Now amines have nitrogen present inside the compound, and therefore they have polarity within the similar kind of molecules, and therefore they are more strongly attached to each other compared to the alkanes. Now option 4 has only 3 carbon alkane, and which is a non-polar compound, so only van der Waals kind of forces exert, and therefore option 4, that is the CH3CH2CH3, which is given as a option number 2 and fourth compound. So the correct answer is option number 2, which indicates the compound number 4 is the most volatile. Now coming to the question number 27. Which of the following method of preparation of amines will give same number of carbon atoms in the chain of amine as in the reaction? Number 1, reaction of nitrate with lithium aluminum hydride. Number 2, reaction of amide with lithium aluminum hydride followed by treatment with water. Number 3, heating alkyl halide with potassium salt of phthalimide followed by hydrolysis. And number 4, treatment of amide with bromine in aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Dear friend, the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is heating alkyl halide with potassium salt of phthalimide followed by hydrolysis, in which the number of carbon cannot be changed. So this is the chapter number 13, amines multiple choice questions. If you need any particular explanation in detail, you can always contact on 940-848-1818. Thank you for participating.